Hello to anybody who is watching. It's a beautiful spring day here in Michigan. I'm actually leaving for South America tomorrow, so I'm not gonna get to enjoy it for too long, but it's a great hurrah. So I did some stuff and it's looking really good in this 12-foot vintage Kon-Tiki trailer. No idea the year, but you know, somewhere between 1950 and 1980. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you what's going on inside because it looks really good. My uncle just made this beautiful new tabletop for me. I gave him the old, what is it, like chipboard smashed together, like, you know, just like a crappy old table. And he just made this beautiful new one. He made these bars because he made like the split wood sort of thing going on, so he wanted to make sure it would stay up if people were laying on it. Yeah, isn't it beautiful? Wow. And he's gonna make a stove cover, so that'll be good. And oh yeah, check out my nice little tiling job. I used a silicone caulk that, you know, you put in a bathroom because I wanted it to be able to move around. But it's very squishy and disgusting, so I'm actually going to do the same thing I did with the window frames right here. I just put really nice copper leaf on them. I put like a primer on it, and then I put a adhesive on top of the primer. It's like a really legit job, so I think if I do the in-between right here, it'll last a very long time and it'll look really beautiful and shiny, but you know, we'll see. I took out the cushions because my sister is actually going to be recovering them with this fuchsia velvet sort of thing, so it'll be really nice. And yeah, I have a little bit of decor going on. Still need to make curtains. This is the fabric that I picked out. It's gonna be super colorful and beautiful. I'm an artist, so that's what I do. There's the cushions. Gosh, look how pretty it is. Wow. Gorgeous. And then here's my messy bed that I need to get into the habit of making. I don't know if I've actually told this in a video, but the last owners, they put this diamond plate cover on here, and they had like a black, white, and red theme. So I had to basically take out anything red and make it beautiful and colorful. I gilded the fridge too, but I don't even know if it works yet because there's these crazy, where is it? These mysterious little screws that I don't have a bit for. Nobody has a bit for, so I need to hunt that down and be able to take out the fridge and, you know, tinker with it to see if I can, you know, put it upside down and burp it and see if that works, and if not, then I'm just gonna have to figure something else out. But yeah, there's the beautiful copper backsplash that I had to, because my parents are renovating their house and they had this old copper fireplace, and I was like, oh yeah. That's actually what inspired the entire concept of the trailer, is because I had that like perfect backsplash material, and I was like, I'll just make the whole thing black and copper. Yeah, I didn't want to repaint everything, so I was like, how can I make it like black and beautiful? Here's inside the closet right now. It's huge, actually. Like, if you see how my hand can go and take all the hangers off and put on some nice clothes. There's old pillows. I'm gonna make some new cushions for them, and the old owners gave me this drawer set. It's really tall, but I mean, I might go with something shorter because I have a few drawer sets of my own, but you know, we'll see if it works first. Oh, and my home jewelry came in too. Look at that beautiful pole. Oh my gosh. It's actually like antique copper. I wish you could see the inside of it. It's just really good quality. Oh yeah, so needed to redo the lights, put some LEDs in and all that stuff. It's all the electrical fun. Oh, look at this table. It looks like a real house. Try to get... Oh, it's really coming together. Oh my gosh, this horrible tile job. It's just, oh, it's gonna get so dirty, you know, but whatever. I've never tiled anything. I've never owned a home, so this is my little experiment. I'm young and I'm pretty excited about it. Oh yeah, I have the other poles here that I got off Etsy, some vintage seller. Super beautiful. Just had to polish them up. These are the old, not old, but the previous owners had installed these cupboards, or hinges, I mean. Oh my gosh, I'm not even looking at it. these old hinges, so I just spray painted them like a copper color, and they actually turned out really good. Which one doesn't? On this one you can see, not really actually, it looks really good. Some of them you can see the silver on. I'm trying to pick out one that you can still see the, there it is. Yeah, so you can see that little bit of silver like getting rubbed off, but I don't know, it's not supposed to be perfect. Yeah, I just need to do the cushions and curtains and, you know, fix this stuff. I have to get a new propane line and all the whole thing. The previous owners did not touch the kitchen, so new water tank and all that. Ah! Okay, that's it. Hopefully you find this inspiring, or at least interesting. I know it's not for everybody, but yeah. I think with the diamond plate I'm gonna, I don't know, maybe continue with the copper gilding, but also maybe not. I'm going, you know, I'm going out of the country, so where I'm going I wanted to get some fabrics, maybe like a gauze fabric to drape over the whole bed area, make it super beautiful, bohemian and cozy. Maybe fabric for the ceiling too, but you know, it's nice to see if the ceiling's leaking, so maybe I'll have to, I don't know, think of something else for that and paint it. I don't know, we'll see. So there's the tour. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this day and start packing.